All right, guys, as I said, this is my second try on my remote control fishing boat. Yeah, this is the shiner that I'm gonna use. That's a good size. Yeah, the hook, it is also a good size. Make sure I clean the tip of the hook. I'm making sure I clean the tip of the hook as always. Okay, boat on the water. Okay, the engine's on. I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it. So I have the live shiner. It's gonna do all the work. Now I'm just gonna leave it and see and wait for a bite. And hopefully I'm gonna be able to land it. See, guys, it sunk my boat. Here we go. Yeah, it's upside down. Yeah, I gotta find a way to retrieve it. It's upside down. Yeah, he's taking the whole thing. Yep. Can you guys see that? He's taking the whole thing. Shoot. I'm gonna have to use a weight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use this weight here. Yeah. See? Yeah, he's taking the boat. He's taking the whole thing. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to use this weight here and try to retrieve it. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't want to lose my boat. I think that's a huge bass. All right. So hopefully, guys, I'm gonna be able to there we go. Okay, all right. Hey guys, I think I caught it. Thank God. Can you guys see it? I'm not sure if the fish is still there, but I'm so happy. I just caught I was able to tow my boat. Yeah, I don't care if the fish is not there, but at least I caught my boat. I think the fish is there. Oh my God. Yeah, the fish is there. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my goodness. So I thought it was a massive bass. Yeah, there we go. So hey guys, this is the bad boy here. I thought it was a huge one. Yeah, see the size, check the size of the fish that sunk my boat. Yeah, this is my Nitro Z21, the RC fishing boat, and this is the guy that sunk my boat. Well, all that I can tell you guys is that so a fish this size here was able to sink my boat. So in order for this thing here to work, it needs to be a smaller fish than this one here. This is the bad guy here. I'm gonna let him go. He gave me a lot of work. I've been trying to catch it for, I've been trying to retrieve my boat for about an hour. See? It broke my hook. So there was a huge fight. All right, so there we go, guys. This is my Nitro Z21, and this is the bad boy that sunk my boat. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on my line here, and then I'll release them later. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's very tired at this point. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna let him go later. Yeah, so that's it, guys. This is the RC fishing boat Nitro Z21. This is a better version. So it has you see the propellers here, they are protected. So when I first caught the fish, you guys are gonna see on the video. So it sunk the whole thing. I thought it was a massive bass. And you guys saw it's not a huge one, and it was able to sink the whole thing. So for a smaller fish, I think it works just for fun, you know. It works just fine. But if it catches a huge fish, you guys can expect the whole thing to go down. It's not gonna hold it. Yeah, the bass is in the water. I'm gonna release him later. There we go. Hey guys, it's getting dark here. I'm about to go home. So as a demonstration, So for the small bass that I caught with my my Nitro Z211, yeah, the whole setup here, it has you know, the hitch right here on the back, the float, and the hook that was broken. Yeah, this whole thing is about you know, almost let's say 20 inches long. I don't want it too deep, otherwise it's gonna get stuck on the weeds on the bottom. So the whole thing, as you guys saw, for the small bass, about you know, about this big here, it sunk the whole thing. It sunk the whole thing down, and it flipped it. It was upside down on the water, and it has these two sensors here on the bottom. If it's upside down like that, so the water is not touching here, it's not gonna work. So with that being said, it's nice for small fishes, and have fun on the weekends. This is a pretty nice one for small fishes. But if you guys gonna catch anything bigger, you guys can expect the whole thing to go home, the whole thing to go deeper in the water. And just like myself, fishing from the bay, you know, from the rocks here, I don't have any other means to go there and retrieve it. I was using my my fishing rod, and I was able to catch it after an hour and something. So please guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the way you guys gonna help my channel. And I'll see you guys later. This is my RC fishing boat, Nitro Z211. It is good. It's good for small fishes, but if it's a big bass, it's gonna sink the whole thing. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.